Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and today we got not so much an unusual bike, but quite an oddity in the fact that it's just a basic 88 supplied by an Edinburgh dealer to a Mr. James Watson Kerr back in 1959. We purchased the bike from around that area, so we believe it has been in the north of England, Scotland area most of its life, and unusually it's matching numbers, which for an 88 is not always the case because the engines were swapped out and chopped and changed as the 600 and the 650 SS's came along, etc. So to have this one in the condition it is with the matching numbers is quite a nice find. Don't let the looks of the bike deceive you. It's actually been converted to 12 volts and electronic ignition, so it starts quite well and it runs quite well. We've also converted the front brake to twin leading shoe on this model to enable it to actually stop, so we can use it on the dual carriageways and in the rush hours in the traffic that we experience in the south of England with no problems at all. It rides really well. Performance isn't going to set the world alight. She'll do about 60 and sit about 60. She will go to 70 with a push, and it's actually a nice ride. It's a light bike. It's just got enough performance to manage the A-rows and the odd bit of dual carriageway work, and it's all round a pretty good bike. I know Carl likes riding it, I like riding it, and so do the others that actually try it. So that's our Dominator 88 that we have here. If you have any questions or wish to know anything further, we'll try and find out and answer your questions. You can contact us at Andover Norton via telephone or email and ask for Ashley, Simon, or seeing as Carl likes riding this Dominator, you can ask for Carl. Thank you very much. Bye bye.